And this is the final walkthrough of our bathroom with the view, which you can see the view here right now with all the snow. So let's start from the shower, which was a fun thing. We actually relocated the bathroom fan, and because this is one of a kind exclusive showering situation. So we have three different fixtures, one big rain head and two hand showers, which they can all run at the same time with different temperatures. That's why we have a double linear drain, and we played with the pattern of these tiles. And if you wonder why there are no pebbles on the floor, because these pebbles are a little shiny, so it would make for a slippery slope. So we sorted the tiles to find the ones with the least pattern to put it on the floor, and then ran the pattern all the way up the ceiling and on the other side up the wall. And my clients wanted a nice quartz details everywhere, and we are heating, and it is nice and warm. We are heating the bench and as a little brick tile feature wall here. And because this can again have all three fixtures running on different temperatures at the same time, we have a full glass enclosure with the louver right against the fan, so we can extract all the steam from the shower right to the fan and not have the moisture run down the walls, which was the case with the previous version. So we had a lot of fun with the tiles, used the floor tile as a tile for the border where the glass sits on, and we repeated this pattern here with the bricks. Actually the niches are back to back, that's why they are offset, because we have only one thickness of the wall. Little surround, nice built-in tub, double vanity, and that's the whole thing. So we are heating the floor, we are heating the shower floor and the bench. So this is the final view all the way from the corner of our view bathroom renovation project. Thank you for watching.